Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the world of crispy goodness. That's right, we're talking air fryers. Specifically, the top 5 air fryers available in the US for 2025. We're talking healthier frying, faster cooking, and that satisfying crunch we all love. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the Ninja Foodie Dual Zone Air Fryer. What sets it apart? 2 words, dual zones, 2 separate cooking baskets, each with its own temperature control. Imagine cooking your protein in one zone and your veggies in the other, all at the same time. And with Ninja's Smart Finish technology, both zones will actually finish cooking at the same time. It also boasts 6-in-1 versatility air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. The baskets are durable, the controls are intuitive, and the whole thing just feels well made. Overall, the Ninja Foodie Dual Zone Air Fryer is the ultimate choice for families or anyone who values efficiency and versatility in the kitchen. Coming in at number 2, we have a true titan in the air fryer game, the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. This thing is all about capacity and power. The XXL boasts one of the largest cooking capacities on the market, easily fitting a whole chicken or enough fries for the whole family. Philips's rapid air technology circulates hot air with precision, ensuring even cooking and crispy results every time. It features fat removal technology that actually extracts and captures excess fat during cooking. The Philips XXL has a sleek and modern aesthetic that will look right at home in any kitchen. The digital display is clear and easy to use, and the single dial control makes operation a breeze. Overall, the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL is the perfect choice for anyone who prioritizes capacity, performance, and healthier cooking. Sliding into the number 3 spot, we have the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer. Instant Pot is a name you can trust when it comes to kitchen appliances, and their foray into the air fryer world is no exception. It features their Even Crisp technology, which uses a unique combination of heat distribution and airflow to ensure everything cooks evenly and gets that satisfying crunch. With a 6-quart capacity, the Instant Vortex Plus can handle a decent amount of food, making it a great option for families or meal prepping. The Instant Vortex Plus sports a sleek and modern design with a clear and intuitive control panel. It comes in a variety of finishes to match any kitchen aesthetic. It can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate just like the Ninja Foodie. Overall, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer is a fantastic all-around choice. Coming in hot at number 4 is the Cuisinart Pro2 Air Fryer Oven Combo. The Cuisinart Pro2 is all about customization and control. With 12 different one-touch cooking functions, this air fryer can handle everything from air frying and roasting to baking and even dehydrating. You also get customizable presets so you can fine-tune your cooking to perfection. The digital display and intuitive controls make navigating the different functions super easy. The Cuisinart Pro2 has a spacious interior that can accommodate a good amount of food, making it suitable for families or batch cooking. The detachable components are all dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Overall, the Cuisinart Pro2 Air Fryer Oven Combo is a fantastic choice for anyone who values customization, versatility, and ease of use. Rounding out our top 5 list is a compact contender that's perfect for smaller kitchens or those who are just starting their air frying journey, the Dash Tasty Crisp Electric Air Fryer. It delivers surprisingly crispy results, thanks to its efficient heating system and compact design that allows for better air circulation. The Dash Tasty Crisp is incredibly easy to use, even if you're a complete beginner. It features a simple dial control for setting the temperature and a timer for controlling the cooking time. The Dash Tasty Crisp has a handy auto shut-off feature. The Dash Tasty Crisp is one of the most budget-friendly air fryers on the market. Overall, the Dash Tasty Crisp Electric Air Fryer is a fantastic choice for anyone who values simplicity, affordability, and compact design. It's a great little appliance that proves you don't need all the bells and whistles to get delicious and crispy results. So there you have it, our top 5 air fryers in the US for 2025. From powerful multitaskers to compact and budget-friendly options, there's an air fryer out there for every need and every kitchen. Consider Consider what features are most important to you, whether it's capacity, versatility, ease of use, or affordability. Happy frying! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and kitchen tips. See you next time.